Alright guys, what's going on? So I want to do a little update video on the Q50 and all the mods I've done to it since the last, mostly engine mods. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I have. This is my 2017 Infiniti Q50. Pretty much full bolt-on. Exterior wise, I can go ahead and show you guys what I have. I got the carbon fiber hood as well as the carbon fiber fenders. They are wrapped partially, so still have a little bit of carbon exposed here as well as on the sides. And I got those from Fly One Motorsports. The front lip, I got that from South Bay Auto Works. Side skirts are from South Bay Auto Works. Mirror caps from South Bay Auto Works, as well as the sequentials, South Bay Auto Works. This right here I got in LA locally from some guy. I don't know where he got it from. These are South Bay Auto Works. This I also bought from some guy, so I'm not sure where it's from, but I'll go ahead and show you guys pretty much what I have done to it. So if we go inside real quick, go ahead and start her up. And actually you can see the little Ecutech module right there, and I'll go ahead and actually pull it up on my phone so you can see the app. Close the door. So I'll go ahead and open up the Ecutech app. Here it is. You go ahead and hit my car, and you have all of your maps here. So I go map switching, daily, race mode burbles, and eco. So you can actually do the same thing right here. If you hit the cancel button, hold it, and you can move it 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I always like to keep it on race mode burbles or just regular race mode. And right now, as you can see, you head over to the dashboard. I'm currently tuned on E30 as well. Right now I'm running about E32-ish, which is perfect. I can run pretty much anything as high as E30, and this thing pulls, man. This thing pulls hard. I'll show you guys all the mods that I had to do engine-wise in order to actually be able to run E30. Super cool. So as far as engine mods, I have the MBRP catback exhaust. I have the AMS lower downpipes. Obviously you can't really see that right now, but right here, go ahead and have the alpha intakes, the AMS intakes pretty much. The Mishimoto catch can is right there. We have the flex fuel sensor, which is right here actually. We have the low pressure fuel pump, which is behind the car. I really don't want to show that. It's underneath the rear seat. The AMS low pressure fuel pump. I think that's about it in order to run E30. AMS intakes, I went with everything AMS. I also do have some blow off valves that I bought from a friend. They're used, but I still haven't thrown them on the car. It doesn't really change the performance, just the sound of it. But honestly, I don't think I'm gonna put them on. I might just sell them. But yeah, this car is quick, man. I'll show you guys and upload some shorts later on. My girlfriend bought me a GoPro head mount, so now I can do POVs. Pretty cool. But here she is. The wheels are, a lot of people ask me about the wheel specs. They are right here. That's the brand Avant-Garde M520Rs. Oh, I also have a big brake kit, the Akibona big brake kit, that I have not put on. I painted them already, but I haven't really put them on. I'm also on BC Racing coilovers, and you can see right there, I think the fitment's really good. Some people actually think I'm bagged, but I'm like, I'm not that low. I'm not that low to be bagged. Still put like a fist and a half maybe. Yeah. And this is an aftermarket Red Sport front bumper, so it had the previous bumper, swapped it out for this one just because it's more aggressive. But I am running 15mm spacers in the front. These are 19 by 8.5, so I had to get that 15mm because they were super pushed in, and you can actually see the 15mm spacer back there. In the backs, they're more concaved. These are the 19 by 9.5s. Pretty nice. I do want to put a 5mm spacer back there, and I have one, I just haven't put them on yet, I guess. I am planning on changing up the color soon, but as far as it goes, that is everything that my Q50 has. And right now, some people are asking me, right, I'm tuned by GoRacebox, and I'm pushing probably around anywhere maybe 450 to 475 wheel. Like I said, I'll post some videos with the head mount on. That's all I have done on my Q50. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.